I agree. And, you know, I've said this a lot, but like, man, if someone like you guys could have had a conversation with me before I bought my first one, like, it would have saved me 6 figures plus, right? Like, it just, there's a lot of potential gotchas in this business. This business can be great, and it could be your ticket to freedom, and you could run it a whole lot of different ways. You could build a huge business. You could have just a couple smaller stuff. You could run unattended, fully attended, service, not service. Like, there's a whole bunch of ways you can do it, and really it only takes 1 to 3 to get you out of your 9 to 5 if that's what you want to do. However, it's a tricky little business to get into, especially early on, because there's a whole lot of places you can go wrong. And so it's just priceless to have somebody who understands the business helping you
And
through,
I don't think
especially
it's
that first deal.
for sure. And I don't think it's as easy as a lot of people perceive it to be. You know, I think that a lot of people get hooked on the passive, you know, it's not a passive business. Are there some people running it passively? Yeah, they are. But if you talk to anyone that's mildly successful in this business, they're not running it passively. They're running it like this is our full time gig. This is what we do, you know. And um, I think to be successful, you need to be more than passive.